unrequited love had fueled the poignant stories that adorned the shelves of local bookstores. Emily couldn't shake the feeling that the ghostly author had chosen her to finish the final unwritten chapter of their own love story. Inspired by the supernatural intervention, Emily poured her heart into the typewriter, weaving a narrative that mirrored her deepest desires and dreams. As she typed, the antique keys danced to an otherworldly rhythm, seemingly guided by an unseen force. The completed pages exuded a warmth that enveloped Emily like a comforting embrace. Weeks later, a stranger entered Emily's life, a writer drawn to the enchanting tale she had penned. Unbeknownst to Emily, he had stumbled upon her story in a dusty bookstore and felt an inexplicable